Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Hoop Studio August 2025 unboxing. I'm really excited to show you the fun projects that we're going to do this month. So let's get started. The name of the projects for this month is called Carol's Kitchen, and I am excited for you to get your package with everything that you're going to need to make the projects. So in the projects this month, you'll pull out, we have this fun bundle of goodies that will help you make your project. So let me show you what it is. You are going to get 3 pieces of insulated batting because we're doing a hot pad and trivets. And because we're using a project that touches heat, we wanted to make sure that we had some extra protection and not just normal batting. So you get 3 pieces of that, of a 9x9 piece. You're going to get this nice big piece of batting to do your projects. This is our Kimberbell project batting, and it works really good in these projects. And you're going to get this beautiful stack of different variety of fabrics. So we have this beautiful blueberry, dark blue. We have this lighter blue with these little fun, you kind of see these fun little designs on it with some scattered dots, right? We have this kind of a cream grid looking fabric here. You have this is a fun, it's kind of orangey, creamy orange with that fun little pattern design on it. We have this green one with the X's on it, really fun, and this darker green with kind of like a scattered dot all over. So these are the fabrics and the stuff that you're going to get in your Hoop Studio box. So what projects are you going to make with it? Well, let me show you. We have this darling, look how darling that is, hot pad. And you get it in 2 different sizes, so you can make a bigger one in your 8x12 hoop, or you can make this smaller one, which you could use really for a coaster. It's a perfect coaster size. And that is made in your 5x7 hoop. But look at that. You're going to do a bunch of applique. These leaves and these flowers are applique. And we have this really fun quilting right at the back. It's kind of an orange bill quilting that you'll do that first and then put your applique and do some stitching on that. Also, you're going to get some little hot pads. Look at these. Aren't those darling? And you get enough to make one of the hot pads and 2 of these little hot pad mittens. Look at that. It almost reminds me of like a puppet show in your kitchen. But I want to show you these darling stitches that you'll put on your little oven mitts here. Aren't those so pretty with the flowers and the leaves? And the colors for this month are I love them. They're some of my favorite colors. So those are your projects for this month. Now, the fresh technique for this month is in the hoop binding. So when you make your hot pad here, you're going to be able to bind this hot pad in your hoop. You'll just cut out your material and lay it down, and then the steps will allow you to do that, and then you'll just hand sew it right on the back. So that's our fresh technique. All right, here at Me Time, we love to do giveaways. So for the giveaway this month, we have this 6x6 wool mat right here, and this little till tape dispenser. And of course, you've got to have some tape to go with your tape dispenser. Plus, we use it a lot in Hoop Studio. So this is your giveaway. To enter, I need you to leave a comment below about, tell me what your favorite kitchen project to make in your embroidery machine is. So what type of kitchen projects do you like to make with your machine? And just put those in the comments, and we will announce the winner on Friday. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy some well-deserved me time.